lugger, cutter, sloop. Understanding classic sailing vessels.
A lugger is a sailing boat, rigged with sails on angled yards. These yards are suspended from the mast to simplify the handling of the rig. The cutter features a single mast, and excels in both speed and balance. A sloop uses one mast with two sails, for efficient and easy navigation. These historic designs reflect the evolution of craftsmanship in early maritime expeditions. The following story illustrates these ideas. In a quiet harbor at dawn, 3 young sailors prepared their boats for a race. Liam captained the lugger, which was built broad for stability in heavy winds. Emma's cutter gleamed with sleek lines, designed to slice through the salty waves. No's sloop was light and agile, allowing it to turn faster under gusts. When the signal horn blew, sails filled with wind and the boats moved. The lugger took the lead, as its wide frame caught the fresh breeze. However, as the wind shifted, the cutter found her rhythm and sped past. No's sloop danced skillfully between them, weaving through the white ocean foam. Halfway through the race, dark clouds gathered, and the restless sea grew cold. While the lugger stayed steady, the cutter leaned close to the water's surface. Noah adjusted his sails swiftly, keeping the sloop away from the storm's edge. The heavy rain fell hard, but each sailor pushed across the vast water. They read the sea like a map, while steering through the gray mist. When the clouds finally broke, they returned to the harbor, feeling soaked yet smiling. Each person learned something new, about their vessel and their own inner resolve. They realized, sailing is a harmony between a fine craft and its captain. In summary, the race revealed how design and temperament shape every journey on the water. It reminded them that experience is the true compass guiding every brave sailor's heart today.